How to send a PDF file in the Messenger app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to send a PDF file through the Messenger app. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is head over to your mobile device, and you'll know that there's no actual way of sending a PDF file through the Messenger app. So what you need to do is just head over to your internet browser such as Google Chrome, and then go to the website messenger.com. And then after that, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner and ensure that you have the desktop site button checked. Now log into your Messenger account. Then once you're here, select the person that you'd like to send the PDF file to. Then go to the bottom of the chat and then select the icon that says upload a picture. So it's this one right here in the middle. Tap on that one. Then here it gives you three options, either camera, camcorder or files. So go to files and then search for the PDF file that you want to send. Select the file and then send the file as a message in the normal way that you'd send a message to this person. And that's all it takes to send a PDF file in Messenger through your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.